In front of me is Motorola Moto G15, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus, set up an hour, and to create new alarm, hit OK. Now adjust it however you want to. Name it at the top and save its name by clicking OK. Pick days of the week, by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on pause alarm to exclude some and choose OK to save the excluded ones. To remove them, use remove icon right next to them. Then tap on this bell and this way log in to one of your platforms. Hit add new to pick any song from your device or tap on one of those sounds. Then click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback and this plus next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. To hide those settings, click at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it, and to delete it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!